Fires can spread fast. You have minutes to escape. Plan 2 ways out from every room, a door and a window. Choose an outside meeting place and practice your plan twice a year. When the alarm sounds, get out fast. Feel doors with the back of your hand before opening. If hot, don't open. Use your second way out. Smoke rises. Crawl low where air is cleaner. Close doors behind you to slow fire and smoke spread. If clothes catch fire, stop, drop to ground, cover face, and roll. If trapped, close door, seal cracks with towel, signal at window. Once outside, stay out. Never go back in. Call 911 from outside and tell your location. For stove grease fire, turn off heat, cover with lid, never water. If too big, get out, close door, call 911. Sleep with doors closed. Use window ladder if needed for upper floors. In hotels, check escape plan on door, use stairs only, never elevator. In high-rises, use stairs if evacuating. Heavy hall smoke, stay, seal door, signal. Remember, 2 ways out, feel door, crawl low. Stay out, call 911 from outside. These steps can save lives every time. Plan and practice today. You can survive. Stay safe. If this video helped you, please like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel for more life-saving tips. Thank you. Stay safe.